Have you ever thought about the people those are paralyzed? Have you ever thought the people those are not able to communicate with the people, like the dumb people? Have you ever thought about the people those cannot see, the blind people, and the people those are spatially able, and those are generally called the disabled person? Have you ever thought, can these kind of disabilities also be cured? Can these kind of disabilities also be addressed with the perfect and the stable solution? Yes, there is a solution, and today we are going to talk about this, and that is Neuralink. Hi, I am Praddhumn Singh, and today we are going to talk about the Neuralink. Neuralink is a kind of startup that has been developed by Elon Musk. Elon Musk proposed that startup in 2016, and the motive of this startup is about the BCI. BCI is brain computer interface. There is a brain and there is a computer, and there has to be a kind of interface that will allow the brain and the computer to talk and to communicate. They can definitely talk, the brain and the computer, and the person who is disabled, with the help of the computer, will be able to communicate and will avoid all the disabilities, and the quality of the life will be better. How can this happen, and how could it be done? We are talking about that. The startup of the Elon Musk proposed a kind of solution for this. That is Neuralink chips, and that chip has been implanted in a person's brain. In the brain, it has been implanted, and that person is getting well. That person was having the problem of the neural disorder. Let me give you another example to understand this as well. The monkey was this experiment was done in monkeys as well as in pigs. The monkey was implanted with that chip, and monkey was able to play the video game without the help of the joystick, only by using their thoughts. Monkey was using its thoughts and playing the video game. That is the power of the Neuralink chip. We have to understand that this has been performed in monkeys, and let us understand the advantages of this. What are the application areas in human beings? In human beings, there are different medical problems, like neural disorder. In the neural disorder, the dysfunctioning of the brain is there. To address this problem, we can use this. The other problems are like epilepsy. Epilepsy is a kind of mirgi, and the seizures of the epilepsy, like mirgi ke daure. And for these kind of things where there is uncontrol in the body, uncontrol in the mind, and the people are not able to behave properly and all. So on these problems, this is used. And there is another problem, that is Parkinson's disease. In this disease, the loss of awareness, the loss of momentary memory, and the loss of posture. The body posture is damaged. Unstable body postures is there in the Parkinson's disease. And the other diseases like spinal cord. We know the spinal cord, and the spinal cord is responsible for a vast amount of uh, flow of the sensations. The sensations that we are feeling, like I am hungry, and I want to go toilet, I want to sleep, and all of those things. These are the sensations, and the spinal cord is the basis for these sensations. And if the spinal cord is damaged by any way, if it is damaged, then the sensations are not flowing. So we have to cure it, we have to address this problem. And for addressing this problem, the Neuralink chips are very important. So these are the spinal cord injuries, and apart from these injuries, we also have the neurological disorder problems. So these are the advantages. Other advantages like cognitive abilities. The cognitive abilities, cognitive means logical, rational. How much logical you are, how much logic can you produce, can you logically think, and decision making skills, these are called the cognitive skills. The cognitive skills will be improved for the human. How will it be improved? Because human will get the vast amount of information in their mind only by implanting these chips. And the second one is, they will be able to get the computational power, and that will be a kind of superhuman. You can predict that as well. Apart from this, virtual reality, augmentation, and the gaming, these things will also be improved with the help of this one. And the research. Now next thing is about research understanding. The researchers, those are working on the mind and the different aspect of the mind, they will get to know about the insides of the mind, insides of the brain, and the insights of the brain's behavior, and as well as insights of the brain's functioning. And that will be a very advantage for the research field as well. Let us talk about the communication. The disabled person and people will get the ability to communicate with each other with the help of these chips and these technology. And it will overall improve the quality of the life. So let us also understand the negative aspects of this, and these are the challenges before us. The first challenge is the chip that is implanted in the human or in monkeys till now. This chip can be hacked by someone else. If someone else hacked your chip, then you are in the control of that person. That's the problem. The second problem is the ethical concern. The person who is superhuman, kind of getting this technology, will that person be ethical or not? There is no surety about this. It can be used badly also, in the bad way, in the wrong way as well. This is the second. This was the second concern. The third concern is health issues. Like, we are not expecting, we don't have any clue about how this chip will impact our body, the body of the humans and all. That's also the problem. The other things are like inequality in the society, because the people, those will be having the access of the technology, of this technology, will be more like capable. They can perform well all the tasks. But the people, those are not getting these technologies, those doesn't have this access, so they will not be able to get it done. So there will be kind of inequality with the help of this technology. And the other things like dependency on the technology. The people will be more dependent on the technology, and some human skills those are developed will not be developing soon at that, because of this technology. So this was the information which I wanted to share with all of you. Thank you very much.